Good night, good night, everyone. Good night. I am Miss V Variety, and welcome to my life. It's been a while, guys. I have not posted, but I can say it's a tricky situation. I've never been out of posting for so long, but it is beyond my control, guys. I just want to encourage my fellow subscribers that no matter what the situation is, um, it's a challenge. And no matter what the situation is, we should try to post even once, even once per day. And once per day is still too small. Um, it's really a tricky situation. I don't know what happened because I look about menus that I could have posted, but just the feeling wasn't there, guys. But I'm glad I'm here tonight to say hello and hi to my subscribers. You might be wondering why I was not posting. But guys, forgive me. It's beyond my control. It's really beyond my control, guys. So let me welcome each and everyone tonight to my live. Um, I am Miss V Variety, and welcome to my YouTube live. Guys, how have you been? How is it with you all? How are you coping with your channel, guys? And how is everything going with everyone? It's like I am new here again, and I am happy to come in tonight to say hello to my subscribers and friends. Yes, guys, I am Miss V Variety, and welcome again to my life. You know, since I've not been posting, I've been watching a few videos here and there, and I come across a lot of videos that um, sometimes it makes me sad. Some of the videos make me smile. Some of the videos I pick out the good things from it. Some of them I screw them out of my mouth because it's not every person that come on this channel or any platform at all. You can gravitate to whatever they are saying. Each time I watch a video, there is always something in it that I can pick out from. Even today I was watching a video and the young man started from nothing until he has reached somewhere now. You know, and I really look at how he started. It wasn't an easy road for him. I'm not afraid to say who is it, but sometimes when I see certain things, you have to just leave it because you might get yourself into I don't even know the word. Africans always, you find yourself into an impromptu or whatever. But this young man, he started from nothing, just a minimum amount of cash, and he used that small amount and he constructed a mini house, and he friends and well-wishers came and assisted him, and he had to pay them, you know, but at least I don't think they would have charged him the amount of money that they would have charged other persons. And they assisted him, and right now he has reached a far way. And it was an unfortunate situation that he had, but God was on his side. God is still on his side. and persons are offering to assist him, which is so good. So guys, when a lot of times when we are doing videos and doing things, always I think that, well, my perspective is to be always on the right side. I don't like to be on the side where people, hmm, uh, let me say that my mother always said to me, I said to us, if you don't have what to say, don't say anything. And if persons are doing their YouTube and are doing the wrong thing and their consciences don't set them free, um, maybe their conscience is dead. Yes, I've been watching a few African shows, African videos. Some of them are doing the right thing, others of them are not doing the right thing. Hello, Channel Alea. Alia, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by, my dear. It's a challenge that I'm having here. The mindset is here to do videos, but the spirit is not there. But I am happy that I could come stop by tonight to say hi to my fellow subscribers and to those who will subscribe. I am not bad. I am not bad. How are you doing? What type of person? I am a Jamaican and I am a lady. Is that what you want to know? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do you have a channel? And where in the world are you? Are you a Jamaican? Thank you for subscribing. But you didn't thumbs up. Please thumbs up for me, please. Do you have a channel? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. or Miss Indonesian. Thank you so much for stopping by. Could you give me a thumbs up, please? Thank you again for stopping by. Do you have a channel? Yes, guys, so IMSV variety. Oh, you're a Muslim. As long as you're worshiping the God that I am worshiping, it's no problem. Okay. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Thank you for your wow music. Where that music come from? I can't afford for YouTube to strike my channel. It was very sad that no one is watching the live stream. Oh, that's why you're laughing? I just started anyways. I just started. I just come on about that. What's that, 9 minutes? 9 minutes ago. Oh, that's why you're laughing? Oh, it's been a while that it's been a while that I have posted a video. That's why all of my people are gone. I am 50 enough year old. I just been Justin. Hi, Justin. How are you? Thank you for stopping by. So, Chanel, that's why you're laughing at me because nobody's here? Oh, that's so sad of you to laugh because no one is here. I don't like that. But I just started the video, so might be persons don't know that I'm here. Or you don't speak English. Thank you, Justin. Thank you. Please give me a thumb up, Justin. Yes, I am a rich man in Jamaica. I throw away monies. Are you a rich woman as well? Are you a rich woman? I am not a rich man. I am not a rich man. I don't have monies. But I'm alive. I speak English. That's what I speak. I speak English. You said I am a rich man in Jamaica, and I said yes. Because I don't know why you said I am a rich man. Do I look like a man? But I said yes. Whatever you mean by that, I just say yes. Right? Right? No need to quarrel nowadays with anyone. Just do your thing, mind your own business, and move on. Right? Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for liking my channel. If you did, wow, music. They are playing music on the outside, so I cannot have my channel going with the music in there. Apparently, it seems that the music has gone. Wow, music. Oh, them go. Hi guys, how are you doing? Where are my people? No, I don't know Indonesia. I never traveled to those places. You said, how are me? Hello, how are you? I am fine. I think you said that already. No, I have not been to Indonesia. Where is your picture? What is that on the screen? Where is your picture? Let me check it. Oh, you're not a YouTuber. You're not a YouTuber. I thought you was. Goodbye. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, you do understand. Goodbye. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, thank you. Thank you for stopping. Bye. Thank you for stopping. Bye. Yes. Appreciate. Appreciate. Dwight Barrett. Dwight. This name rings a bell. Hi, Dwight. Yes. Because Dwight, I don't know what is happening to me. You like my crying? You see me crying? You see that I'm crying? I am not crying. Dwight. Yeah, it's been a while that I've posted anything because I was down. I was this. I don't know what to say. But I did have the vibe. The vibe wasn't there. Thank you, Dwight, for stopping by. Please give me a thumb up. Oh, you feel like crying? Why you feel like crying? Why you feel like crying? Somebody do you something? What? What? The camera nearly dry. What's wrong with you? Tell me. No, me just never have the vibes to do any. Me don't know what's wrong with me. I come like me in some depression. Maybe I'm just saying because I do cooking that I could post, but I'm tired of posting cooking. I want to go on the street to vlog, and I don't get the opportunity to go on the street to vlog. So that's why I just get fed up and say I don't know what to do. That's why I said I don't know what to post about. I don't know. So I was just there sitting. It's about 3 months I've not posted anything, and I'm so frustrated about that. It is not good. It is not good, none at all. And I was tired of getting up and sitting down and saying the same old thing. Nothing much not wrong with me. It's just that the vibe wasn't there. I didn't know how to deal with the situation. The vibe was not there. Um, Chanel, you said your customers, how much is it? How much is what? How much is what? Be more specific. What customer you talking about and how much is what? I don't know what you're talking about. Yes, so hold a minute. Okay. So, my dear, I really appreciate you stopping by tonight, even though I have messed up because I have not been posting, and that is not good. Everything just gone right down, down, and I don't like that, but I know. Come like I need somebody to push me, but I don't know, I'm just have to try to do better. But if I get up and come, they said other question and answer sticker. Me no want to mess up the thing, you know. Um, so guys, I am here tonight again, saying the same old things. Miss V Variety, and please give me a like when you stop by. I know that my subscribers were wondering where I was and not seeing me posting anything, but because my spirit, I was so down. That is it. I was not in any cheerful spirits. But thank God I'm here tonight to say hi to you guys. Pebbles. Pebblishan YT. That is Pebblishan YT. You want it? What? Why didn't you go and do that? It's good when I can do that. It's very good when I can do that. Give me a like, that's if you do. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. And you don't have a channel. Let me check if I have a YouTube channel. You don't have a YouTube channel. You want my bathroom to borrow? Do you want my bathroom to borrow? Thank you for giving me a thumb up. YT. Thank you for stopping by. YT. Your customers, how much is it? I'm happy to be alive. Thank God. Thank God that I'm alive. If one person stop by, I still thank God. And if two persons stop by, I still thank God for it. They have all right to vanish because I wasn't here. I was nowhere to be found. And that is why there is no one here. But at least a few stopped by to say hi. Thank you guys for stopping by to say hi. I appreciate it. And if I stay 5 minutes, I would be more appreciative of it. Thank you guys for your love and your support. Well, let me tell you a little about myself. I am a Jamaican and I live in Jamaica. I live in the St. Catherine area of Jamaica, and I'm a YouTuber. Not so active, but I'm a YouTuber, of course. Yes, guys, and I do cooking videos, I bake, I do a little vlogging at times. So those are what I do. And I'm more on the positive side. I don't really go down the negative pathway because my mother, and it's instilled in me, but She said, if you can't say good, don't say nothing at all. And that's why even if I choose to do reaction videos, I would react on the positive side. But I don't know yet. I might. Because if I don't do something, either react on positive, so I will not be able to be growing my channel because I cannot be sitting down and not saying anything much. So I will have to shake up myself or do something else to keep myself afloat. And that's what I have to say tonight. If I was doing reaction videos, I would be far way much better. But you have some persons who don't really like to hear the truth, and they bash you when you tell them the truth. But reaction, reaction can put food on the table as long as you are saying the correct thing about the person. You know, yeah. If you are saying the right thing, you are good to go. Yes, guys. So I might think about it. I will always have good things to say about persons. What I see, if I don't like what they do, I will say that that wasn't fair, but I might do it. I might do it. I will not try to put myself into any problem so that persons will want to strike my channel. I will keep on this straight track. I will be positive in the right way. Yes. Because that is where I'm leaning to say positive things about what I've seen on the internet. Yes, guys. So thank you tonight again. I might just do an hour just socializing with persons and saying hello to my people because I've not been here for a while. And that's why I come tonight to tell my people that I'm alive and well and is still around. Yeah, but I might just change my mode of doing videos. Good night, good night, Prof. Green. Hello to you. How are you doing? I was just saying that I might start to do reaction videos because when I look left and right, up and down, I am not seeing what else can I do. Thank you, girl. Thank you, my dear. I was so depressed. I was so depressed over the period. Depressed, not too bad, but I was just sorting out my head, trying to figure out what can I do to survive or to build my channel. Then 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Yeah, thank you guys. Sorry about that. I went to somebody on the outside. Thank you guys. Do I do I perfume? I was saying that I was thinking hard and wide, and I was saying I might have to do some reaction videos in a good way because I am not having much videos to do. I don't know what else to do. I might just do some reaction videos. Yes, thank you. Because at the end of the day, I see a lot of ladies doing reaction. As long as they're doing the right thing, I think it can work. Right? Sometimes persons say things, if you don't agree with them, you tell them why you don't agree with them, etc. etc. But to sit down and say the same thing at nights or days, it doesn't spell sense. Fabulous, fabulous, thank you so much for stopping by. No, I am a Jamaican. I am a Jamaican. Thank you for stopping by. Dwight. So, thank you. Prof Green, I thought you was sleeping. No, it doesn't have to be a reaction channel. It can go into a reaction channel. Don't you think so? Don't you think so, Prof Green? No, fabulous. I'm a Jamaican. Do you know Jamaica? Oh, well, you know, say me have a strong feeling say it wouldn't confuse the algorithm. Cause if you start the reaction and start it on a powerful music there, that's why me can't do videos, you know. Music is on the other side. And I don't want my channel to get strike. Yeah, the music there. No, if I take up reaction and do it on a day-to-day basis and do it, make the algorithm pick it up, it will be good. But if I start and stop and start and stop, it will confuse the algorithm. But if I turn over to it, it will eventually pick up that I'm now doing reaction. Yeah, if I start to do it, because I see persons who used to do vlogging turn over to reaction, but they constantly do it and them not stop. And me I tell you sometimes videos are to come by at times, especially if you're not in a position to do videos. And sometimes you're doing the same thing over and over again. I see where I could do some reaction in a positive way, you know? But mother fi equip myself, maybe use a laptop or another phone with it. So it will go smoothly. And I wouldn't be there to bash anybody or not. I wouldn't just, speak positively. I think I would do good in that sense, but I need a little more training on that as well. Wow, really? So you see? Oh my God. But I know that you will bounce back. I know that you can do it. You have the capability to do it. You will bounce back. Dwight, how are you and how have you been doing so far. You know, Dwight, where are you? Wow. Me hear one sound in the background and I wonder if it can affect the... There's a music playing on the other side. I have to analyze a lot of my past. But then, I don't know why those videos are not good videos. Over 100. I know you will come back strong. Yeah, very, very much. Them change a lot. Change a lot. So you see, we have to be careful. And it's not, well, you clean up a lot of people get affected by them, by whitey, because some things that they're doing were not right. Remember me go through it too, me get whatever me have to start over. So, and if, I don't know, but remember you're not really a talking, you're not really a talking channel. You do your thing like that. So you wouldn't go in the, you're not on the floor to say X, Y, Z. Like me sit down and talk. Your channel is different. But when I look into it and me see other persons doing it and surviving, me want to try it. I want to try it because recently I see a young man start, he's from Africa, and him start to from nothing to build a house, and the house reach a far way now, and he has been getting sponsors as well. I'm not going in nothing for sponsors or nothing like that. If I get it, I will accept it. But to react on those persons would be good. Persons who coming from nowhere to somewhere, you know, and they sweat through tears and whatever, and they have reached somewhere now. You know, they are just thanking God and all of that. So I would like to react on those people, how they have coming from nowhere, reach this far, and what they did to reach this far and whatever. So that would be great. I soon come back to work, Madam Prof. I soon be back at work. I think it's the 24th. I think it's the 24th I'm coming back to work. A bit sad, but because right now I'm sorry I cannot go on early retirement, honestly, because sometimes I just feel down, just don't feel workish. But I have to push myself still. I have to push myself. Because sitting down not doing nothing doesn't make sense. But it's a nice feeling, you know, to get up, have a shower, relax watching TV and all of that. It's a nice. I wish I didn't have to go back to work, honestly. It's a nice feeling. Just drink some water, drink some juice, eat something nice, your vegetable, your fruits, go back and lie down, get up, watch TV. It is a nice feeling. It is a nice feeling. I wish I could do that. I'm not going to any work whatsoever. So guys, good night again. I am Miss V Variety. I've started YouTube 2024. I did not put in the amount of work that I should have been putting in, and so I'm averting. But I am going to fight it and to try to do the right thing. I want to resort to something. I want to start something new and fresh so that I will be able to be getting my views without doing meaningful things. We won't be getting any views. I understand? Thank you guys again for stopping by. I will be on for 1 hour. Just 1 hour I'm doing. Because imagine, I wasn't here for a while, so I know that my subscribers will not know that I'm on. Some of them might be sleeping, some of them might go to work. I don't know what time is it in your neck of the woods, but but I just come back tonight because I don't want YT to think that I'm no more on YouTube and I'm no more doing videos. I have to leave something to let them see that I am still on, and because of that I come tonight to do a short live. So I'll be just doing an hour, 1 hour, because even if persons would say do more than an hour, but if no one is there to give you the watch hours, it doesn't make any sense. 1 minute, guys. Let me try something. I'm trying something, guys. This. Yeah, YT change a lot. A lot. And then there's a lot of persons that are doing videos. And YT has a lot to pay out. So they are not going to put up with any foolishness. They are not going to put up with any foolishness. They're going to be on their P's and their Q's. So guys, not recently, whatever is it, whatever is it that you think I should cost them for, it's just one of those things. But that's life. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but that's life. Some of us get it and some don't get it. You know, so that's life. I cannot revert anything that is already gone, already is. I just have to. Anyways, give me a thumbs up on that if you do. What your name? Terry 6609. 609. Give me a thumbs up. Cause you know thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I like your attitude. Green pa. Oh Professor Green, pa. Terrifier is saying, what's up? Terrifier, I like your style. Anyways. Yes, I'm a Jamaican. I am a Jamaican. Yeah, you're right. You look like you are the professor here. You Terry. You is the professor. And that Prof Green is the professor. And you are the professor. you give me 2 thumbs up. I'm watching. I'm watching if it's 2. Because I just did 1 and it went to 6. So if I give me 2, it would be 8. So I'm watching. I am really watching. It not change it. Yes, but me like a style still. Maybe my parents couldn't do better. Me have to accept what it is. Yeah, do the thumbs up. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for the thumbs up. I like your spirit as well. Yes, I see one of the thumb up with one more one. It need another one. Yeah, you're the lecturer. Oh, you are the lecturer, not the professor. Oh, no man, you are the genius. You are the genius. You are the genius. Let me not say another word. You are the genius. I understand you in full. It's 7, but when say lecturer saying give me 2, so me I wait for the next one come up. She's not terrifier, she's lecturer. Change your name. Thank you anyways. Thank you anyways. What is the name of the person? Me? I am Miss Williams. You see my name? I am Miss V Variety. Oh, it's 8 on your side. Oh, well maybe I'm not seeing the other one. Maybe it soon come up. Oh, I'm seeing 7. Oh, so lecturer, you are right. You're not telling me a lie. Wonder if he's a Jamaican as well. He's a Jamaican? You sound like a Jamaican. Because you're not hold long nothing. You lecturer, you don't hold long nothing. You couldn't see me and I said nothing. Eh? You couldn't see me and I let out my secret. Lecturer. Terry, you me talking. Oh God. What are the vibes still? I like the style. Oh, it's 8. I forgot to fix the phone. No, I have no, because if it was fixed, it would be better for me. Ah boy, it's not easy. But you know, I heard somebody say on YouTube today that the person says that we must not give up. If it's 1 video per day, we must still do it. Because like in the year 2030, YT might change for the better, you know? So he's saying that we must just post. But if we don't have anything to post, what we're going to do? At least we have to try and find something to post. Yes, guys. Thank you. I appreciate. Yeah, just show up on me now. I appreciate persons that have stopped by to support me tonight. I have really been appreciative of it. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Terry, Terry, our lecturer, where in the world are you from? Are you a Jamaican? Why you don't want to talk? You come out big and bold, you know, so you must talk. Thank you, Prof. Green. You're going to work tomorrow? You're going on your to your workplace tomorrow, Prof. Hi guys, good night. Terry said me not cuss my parents. You know what she talk about. But me not make it trouble me. I'm not gonna let it trouble me at all. It is what it is. It is what it is. Where are the peoples? I'll do it. Do it in one gun. Dwight one gun. Sleepyhead Dwight. Sleepyhead Dwight. Yes, guys. So I'm here trying to I'm here trying to do my thing. Yes, so I was saying that there's a flowers I got. See there. See there. Yes, guys, so I was saying that I am a YouTuber and my name is Miss V Variety. And I thank you guys because I've not been on for a while now. And things are not quite okay, but I'm in good health and I'm going through. So tonight, it's been about 3 months, I think. I've not posted anything. I think from November, December, January. The latter part of November, I don't think I post anything. So it's November, December, January, and February almost finished. So it's slack. I've been slack, not doing anything. one of my aim was to do some parish visits, but I'm on a couple of days now from work, and I still did not do anything. I did some nice cooking. I make some nice juices, and I didn't even make any videos. It's sad on my part. I have to shake up myself. Sometimes I feel discouraged. I'm not lying. But I just have to shake off myself and continue doing what I have to do. What I have to do. So guys, I just have about I think I'm gonna go 1 hour. I did said 1 hour. I might be here a little over an hour. I was asking Terry what part of the world is she? Open is a woman. Let me see if she have a channel. No, this person is not active. I think she does she does YouTube just to support others, which is good. But sometimes I fix up her words, Terry. I can't just come out and lash me like that. Oh boy. One person say, Miss V, there's nobody here watching you, supporting you. But I was saying to, I think the person's name is Channel. I was saying to Channel that because I wasn't here for a while now, so most of my subscribers, they don't know that I'm live tonight. I just said let me do better. Let me just do something so that them don't write me off and say I'm no more a YouTuber. I am still a YouTuber and I want to do more videos. Pray for me guys that I may do better. So thank you for all those who stopped by and give me lend me an helping hand and give me some support. I really appreciate it. I was saying to one of my subscribers that I want to do some reaction video because at the end of the day, doing some reaction the right way can help. I can't pronounce his name. Hello. According to Moses. Moses, the little boy in Africa. Hello. The word is, the name is him. Imelda. Santos. Santos, how are you? You give me a thumb up, please. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support. Appreciate. Please give me a thumb up. Oh, Santos from Willie Boy. Oh, this is Santos from Willie Boy. I saw you over Willie Boy. A Willie Boy. Not even the names them I remember, but I think I remember the name Santos. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. You've been here before because you have a blue jacket. As I think we meet at Billy Boy. Yeah, channel. Thank you so much. Remember to give me a like Thank you guys. So as I was saying that it's better to try something else to ensure that the channel grow than to sit down and not doing nothing much. What I do is cooking, I do baking, and sometimes I do a little vlog. But those, if things that you do not working well, you have to branch off into something else that you think will work. And that's what I might do. That's what I might do. And I don't make up my mind fully yet, but I might be doing that. At the end of the day, I might be doing that. So thank you guys for your love and your support. This is Miss V Variety, and I'm here to say hello to you guys. I'm here saying hello to everyone, and how are you doing? Santos just came and he don't say anything, he just say hello. Maybe he's at work, maybe it is his bedtime, maybe he has other commitments. I cannot say anything about that. At least he said hello, and if he would have stayed for 5 minutes, I would get the benefit. But if persons come and don't stay 5 minutes, I'm not gonna get any benefit. So it's like they didn't came. Some of them come and they don't acknowledge that I'm here. They didn't give me a like, which is not good, because if I support, I support. But thank you for just showing a face. If you are still here, please give me a like. Thank you guys. You have some persons who are so faithful and some persons who don't care. It's neither here nor there to them. But you who know better, do better. You who knows better, do better. And when I come out again, I'm gonna come out with a bang. I'm gonna come out to do some more support to the channels, because I used to do it, but sometimes it just go off in a different world, you know. So things that you used to do just started to fall apart, which is not good. So guys, bear with me, because I shall be coming out again to give my support to my subscribers and other. I'm really happy that I came tonight to, as I said, a lot of my friends don't know that I'm here, so you don't see much of them. But thank God for the few that came. At least I get a few supports, a little support. One minute, yeah. So Miss Variety is here. Miss Variety is alive and well. Why did I do that? Anyways, guys, I will not be much longer on. I will be going off in a while. in a while. Somebody was asking, who do your hair? They liked my hair. I did it myself, but it's the time to take it out now. It's time to take out my hair now. It's time to take out my hair now. So I'll soon take out the hair so that I can go back to work fresh and nice. Oh, oh, the place look darker than before. Light is on. The light is on. Oh, that's fine. Hi guys, I will send off at any time now. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here with me through the thick and the thin. I am still on. I might not be here for a long time, but I'm here tonight just to say to my subscribers that I'm still doing YouTube. It might be a while, but I will be back. Thank you guys. I'll see you again in another video. Thank you for your support, and thank you for always being here supporting me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.